Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. Now I'm going to talk about my morning routine. As a Muslim, at first I wake up 4:50 a.m. Then I go to the washroom and I brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I make ablution for salah. After completing my ablution, I return my room and I take preparation for salah. After that, I go to the mosque and I perform Fajr Salah. After Salah, I pray to Allah for my parents, teachers, and all Muslims. Then I return my room and sometime I recite the Holy Quran. After that, I do exercise for my health. After that, I make English videos for my social media. Then I take my breakfast. This is my morning routine. See you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.